Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Deel payments to your bank step by step clearly. To begin withdrawing from Deel payments to your bank, first, log into your Deel account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your payment details. Locate the payments section on the left side of the screen. Click on Withdraw. You will see various withdrawal options available. Select bank transfer as your preferred method. If this is your first withdrawal, you will need to add your bank account details. Provide the required bank information, including your account number and routing number. Ensure that all details are entered accurately to avoid delays. After entering your bank information, click on Save. Your bank account should now be linked to your Deel account. Next, go back to the Withdraw section. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw from your Deel balance. Review the withdrawal amount to confirm it is correct. Once you're satisfied with the entered amount, click on Confirm. You will receive a notification confirming your withdrawal request. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your transaction status. Generally, the withdrawal process may take a few business days to complete. Once the funds are processed, they will appear in your bank account. If you encounter any issues, check Deel's support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.